Hello and welcome. Today we're going to talk about something very important which has become part of our new life under the COVID, which is being online, working from home, studying from home. Everybody is spending several hours on the screen, and not only this work and studies, but our time for watching TV, for any web series, spending time on the social media, all these things are taking a big toll on our health, whether it's our eyes, whether it's strains on the shoulders or the neck. So we start off our laptops or mobiles for something else, for example checking the WhatsApp messages, but then slowly something else distracts us, and then by the time we are done, we have gone to 10 other places and we look at things which we did not intend to look at. So how do we bring all this in our control mindfully? Whenever you sit in front of a computer or TV or your mobile, first thing we should do is always take a deep breath, just like we are going to do now. And as we take a deep breath, let's ask, do I need to be online at this time for this purpose? Well, in most of the cases the answer would be yes, but you will be surprised many times you're just picking it up because some notification rang. So you decide whether it's time for me to pick up the phone or the laptop or not yet. And then think of the desired state of well-being after this meeting or after this studying hour online. What do you want to feel like in the end of this meeting? Think of a desired state of well-being. It could be mental and physical health. It could be just the ability to not get addicted to anything and just peace of mind. In between, there is a very good anchor that we will use, which is called the mindful pauses. Now these could be 1 minute, 30-second pauses, and all you need to do is just remind yourself every 20 minutes take a break for 20 seconds. That's a 20-20 rule, and look at an object which is 20 feet away. For example, if you have a window, or you can look outside at nature, nothing like it, but if you don't have a window, just look at the ceiling or something which is maybe in another room. And you can also do the eyes exercise like this. You rotate all the way from top to bottom, left to right, and then clockwise and anti-clockwise, and do quick blinking of the eyes. Stretching your arms, breathing in, stretch your arms all the way in front of the screen. That will tell you whether you are at a safe distance from the screen. We need to maintain safe distancing here also. And breathe out, come back. And you can do some stretching, your rotation of the shoulders, anything that you can do for 1 minute. For some of the well-being anchors will be my posture, the exercise for my eyes, and then the big one, the purpose. Ask these 3 questions. What am I doing right now? What am I surfing right now? What am I looking at right now? Is this what I really set out to do? Secondly, why am I looking at this? Why am I doing this activity online? And then thirdly, how is this thing that I'm watching or doing online helping me in my well-being? Typically, watching anything online or doing any activity, you forget about drinking water, which is very much required not only for your body but also for your eyes. So let's make sure we are drinking water, maybe in the mindful pause. The mindful pause can be taken during any activity, not just watching TV. It could be any other activity that you just take a break. Ask yourself, what am I doing? Why am I doing? And then how is this helping in my well-being? Okay. So with these breaks, in the end, whatever you have watched, your mobile phone, your laptop, TV, just thank them. And also thank your eyes. Give a pat to yourself if you are given frequent mindful pauses in between. That is how you will keep an eye on your screen time, maintain good eyes, good physical and mental health, and also enjoy the time you spend online, knowing that now you have a control over this. Okay, so that's it. Thank you. Bye bye.